And the second reason why we ask the Holy Spirit in every decision and activity that we would start. Because only God can suffice the imperfections that we have. It is only in God that we become perfect. It is only in God that we can be the best version of ourselves. It is only invoking the help of God that we, with more earnest, make good decisions in life. And so, we ask the Holy Spirit to come into our institution that we may be led to have better decisions and to start our class with His help so that we may get here by His grace.